Whether it's a baseball, Bible, or Boy Scout camp, there are plenty of ways for kids to keep busy over the summer. Now add fashion design camp to that list. In tonight's Eye on KELOLAND, Angela Kennedy introduces you to a successful designer and Sioux Falls native who opened a school to teach her craft to the next generation.
I was just working on a quarter turn.
Okay, good. 16-year-old Carissa Johnson has spent her summer sketching, cutting, sewing, and coming up with some innovative new fashion designs.
My favorite was the shoe, designing the shoe, because I love shoes, but who doesn't love shoes? And so it was like perfect for me. And I love designing the bag too, and like having a finished product is so great because I can actually use it and be like, hey, I made this.
Johnson and a handful of young women are learning from successful designer Anita Keeley, who, among other things, has spent more than 25 years creating pageant gowns and commercial interior design.
Anita helps you with whatever you need, and she is so excited in what you design that she really wants to help you out and pick the right fabrics for it and get it all completed.
Keeley came up with the idea to start the Institute of Design and Technology of South Dakota after speaking at area schools on career days.
All these young girls were interested in fashion design, partly because of The Devil Wears Prada, partly Project Online, so they were all interested.
But Keeley found one problem.
I asked the kids, now how many of you know how to sew? Nobody knew how to sew anymore.
So Keeley wanted her program to be all-encompassing and came up with Project Design Boot Camp.
So these circles will help you get a perfect circle so that it fits. It's an exploratory summer program, just like students might go to debate camp, music camp, dance camp. They can come for a week and see if they like it. They are going to find out the pros and cons of fashion and find out that they need to sew, they need to draw, they need to be up on their math. There's a lot of technical skills. And at the end of the week, they either realize, no, this is not cut out for me, or yes, this is what I want to do.
14-year-old Elena Birch is making the trip from Mitchell every day to attend the classes.
You get to design things, you get to use paint, and you really use your own creativity. You don't have somebody telling you how to do it, they just help you. So it's really a blast.
Well, she really loves it, and that's the thing that I like about it. It's something during the summertime that's kind of off the beaten path of some of the things she does during the school year, but yet it's an educational type of a situation, and I like that too.
While the Fashion Design Boot Camp is mostly for kids in junior high and high school, the school will also be offering a certificate in fashion design technology in the fall for those ready to launch their careers.
They're going to learn a lot more about entrepreneurialism and marketing, even designing a store, all the way through even a startup company.
Johnson, who's been creating her own outfit since middle school, says this summer program is helping her embark on her lifelong dream.
I want to be a fashion designer, maybe in New York or Paris, the dream. So I'm just trying to figure out school stuff for college right now and what I want to do for that to pursue this dream that I have.
It's really gotten her a starting point to know that she could actually have a business in this, or she could actually follow through in this and create something in her Carissa Ray designs that she's already created herself. And I think that it gave her confidence.
And while these young women are benefiting from all of Keeley's expertise, they continue to amaze this experienced designer.
Oh, this looks beautiful. Oh, that's great. I really was afraid that there'd be a lot of copycat out of whatever they saw in this month's fashion magazine. They have thought so out of the box. I am so amazed because I provide all the tools, the materials, a lot of, try to help them research, and I'm totally amazed with what they have been able to do with that.
Just kind of all whatever you see in your head. All right, it's really a great learning experience.
With Eye on KELOLAND, I'm Angela Kennedy.